how to link CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard here, and then click on apps. Then click on all recommended apps, then click on Shopify App Store. Okay, now we're going to search for CJ Dropshipping. Okay, now click on CJ Dropshipping here, then click on install. Okay, after that, just click on install again. Then click on authorize, confirm. Okay, now it says authorization success. Now let's check if it's linked. And there you go. Your store is now linked. So, if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.